Okay, lockdown encapsulation of a patio, of a wood patio system here in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm not in Clifton, I'm actually adjacent to Clifton, but I'm in Cincinnati. And you guys can see, when you look close, we have Peeling Restore 10X that's encapsulated underneath of our Kong armor system here. So all of this was peeling crazy, ugly, and we've came in and we've locked this down and we've created a super pretty little backyard system. This up here, same thing, peeling, all that. And look at what the Kong armor system has done. You gotta forgive me, we still have a little bit of wet coating on here. We have a little bit of effervescent that you'll see. That's our UV blockers, and those kind of they kind of flash a little bit when they're first applied. That evens out after a couple days, but as you can see, a beautiful situation. This was old, an old barn red color back in here. We've also come in here and we've coated this cinder block wall for them, that cinder block wall, and that door there. A lot of people don't know this. Kong armor is actually designed for wood and masonry. We just happen to fall into the deck niche, and we work a lot on coating wood, right? But the Kong armor system itself is first class for coating brick, masonry, cinder block, this type of stuff. But I've tweaked this system specifically to be super high stretch so that it can handle locking down, bridging gaps, encapsulating peeling coatings, and that's what you have here. This is a Restore 10X encapsulation. Just imagine a bunch of peeling Restore 10X through here before this was done, and now we brought in the Kong armor system and just encapsulated all of this. This was all washed very well, encapsulated, and then coated very thickly, and it's turned out beautiful. A beautiful deal here in Cincinnati. Super pretty. If you want to get, if your deck has this problem, Peeling Restore 10X, Peeling Restore, peeling bare deck over, what I call deck leprosy, I can help you. Go to www.kongarmor.com to get a free quote. You don't have to replace all of your deck floor and go through that massive expense. It's not necessary. We have the coating technology now to where we can completely encase these decks and save homeowners thousands of dollars. See ya.